Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show you how easy, guys, literally under 7 minutes, we can create something very beautiful in Adobe Photoshop on iPad. I have posted on my social media channels some image I created in Adobe Photoshop on iPad, and you asked me to show to you how I created it. So guys, let's do it today. I have opened Adobe Photoshop on iPad. I will be using iPad Pro and Apple Pencil. And now I'm located in our home screen. To create any new project, simply click on Create New. And here, guys, you can switch between different types of document you can start your project from. I will click on Recent, I will click on Custom, and I will click Create, and voila, we are ready to go. Now, on the left side of my screen, you can see I have toolbar. If I will click on image icon in my toolbar, I will be able to bring into my document image located in my camera roll, files, libraries, or I even can take picture using my iPad Pro camera. But today I will be using images I downloaded and licensed from Adobe Stock. Of course, guys, you can use any images you like. I will click on camera roll because I know where my image is located, and I will click on this image. First of all, I will resize it. I will make it bigger. And if you notice, Photoshop on iPad as Photoshop on desktop has a perfect method of transformation or resizing your layers image. I will click on right top handle and I will drag it out. And now I will reposition it in a way I like. After I will be happy with everything, I will click Done. Guys, did you notice that Photoshop suggested that, as I noticed you're working on photo compositing and probably you want to bring another image into your document, and Photoshop already opened menu for me. So I will click back in camera roll. I will click on all photos, and here I have my image. It's not my image, I mean my image I downloaded a license from Adobe Stock. I will resize it, make it bigger, and I will reposition it just like this, maybe a little bit smaller, yeah, and I will click Done. Now, guys, definitely I need to remove background out of my second image. I will click on Select Subject, and voila, guys, look at this. Photoshop understood what I want to select, but I noticed that maybe I will reposition my main subject, increase size of it just slightly, guys, for better composition. And now I will click Done. Yes, time to switch back to Select Subject, and voila, Photoshop selected everything for me. Look at this. After Photoshop selected my main subject, at the bottom of my screen you can see that I have a few suggestions what I can do next. I will click on Mask, and look at this. I need to duplicate my main subject. I will click on my main subject layer. I will click on these three dots on the right side of my screen, and I will ask Photoshop, please duplicate layer. Photoshop duplicated this layer for me. I will switch to Transform tool. I will reposition it, and also I will flip it just like this. Now I will move my two subjects close to each other just like this. Time to select another one. Using same Transform tool, I will bring it close to the first one. Perfect. This is how I want it. Perfect. Now I will highlight my top layer. Time to add another image. I will click on my image icon again. I will click on camera roll. I will click on all photos, and here I have another image I would like to work with today. I will not resize anything, I will not reposition my image because I think this is as I wanted. But the problem is, guys, this is a broken window, broken glass image, but I don't want to have black background. What I'm supposed to do? I can use select subject or any other selection tool. But why? I can make my life much easier if particularly in this example I will use a blend modes. I will click on, as you notice, I have opened layer properties panel. You can close it or reopen it. And here, guys, we have blend mode option. I will click on it. I will expand it, and I know that I will use screen blend mode. Click on it, and voila! Look at this, guys. How awesome is it? Just in one click, I removed a black background. Now, I will click on transform tool and I will rotate my layer and I will bring it down. Maybe I will scale it size down, just like that. Oh my God, yes, I love it. And now I will click done. Now I have another problem. I have a screaming white color of my broken glass, but we are talking about space, and in our example, in our space, dominated color is blue. So how can we fix this problem? Super easy. I will click on add clipped adjustment and I will click on color balance. And now, guys, I will add a little bit blue effect to my broken glass. Look at this. I love it. Now I think I need to add blue effect to my main subjects too. I will highlight my first main subject. I will do the same. Color balance. I will add a little bit blue. And same with the second subject. Just like this. Look at this. How awesome is it? And guys, believe or not, I'm done. This is what I wanted to share with you today. Guys, it's super easy. It's super fast. Did you notice we spent probably less than 7 minutes and we are created something very beautiful from the white blank canvas. Look at this. Guys, thank you so much for being with me. If you have any questions, ask. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. If you didn't try Adobe Photoshop on iPad, just give you a try and you will like it. You will love it. And again, I'm here if you have any questions. Thank you so much for being with me. Guys, I'm very appreciated all your support. Super appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. And before I will forget, if, and I hope so, you will create anything after this tutorial, please share your creation on Twitter. Tag me in your creation. I can't wait to see what you will create using Photoshop on iPad after this tutorial. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.